Open the door now. Step out.
Why?
Step out now.
Why?
Can I ask what is going on?
Put your hands behind your back now.
I call my mom?
Put your hands behind your back now.
Welcome back to UK Cop Hub. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for daily deep dives into real police encounters, legal breakdowns, and the truth behind the badge. Today's story is straight out of Milton, Florida, where a simple misunderstanding spirals into a full-blown sheriff's office takedown. Headphones, confusion, and handcuffs collide when a young man's silence is mistaken for resistance. But was this lawful enforcement or just another badge going overboard? Let's find out.
Sheriff's office, open the door now. If you don't open the door, we're going to write a warrant and kick your door in. Open the door now. Step out.
Why?
Step out now.
Why?
Can I ask what is going on?
Put your hands behind your back now.
I call my mom?
Put your hands behind your back now.
I call my mom.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, can I call my mom first? I just want to know what's going on.
Alright, pause here. This is where things really start to unravel. Under Florida Statute 843.02, resisting an officer without violence is a charge that's often misused in cases just like this. The deputies claim that he identified himself 3 times could hold up only if the subject could reasonably hear him. But with headphones in and no threat present, that justification starts to crumble. Here's the chilling part. What we see next, the door pounding, the takedown, all unfolds after the alleged non-compliance. Do you think the officer's ego took over, or was this just bad training at play?
I just want to know what's going on. Can I ask what's going on?
Yes, sir, you can. Give me just a second to make sure these handcuffs aren't too tight on you, and I will explain in detail.
I'm talking to him.
What's going on? I don't understand.
What's going on, sir, is that I've ordered you to stop 3 times and identified myself as a sheriff's deputy while you were walking away from me.
Well,
Then you rush in your house and lock your door.
Well, I was listening to my music, so I didn't...
And when I tell you to step out, you're not doing it.
I was listening to my music. I didn't...
How do I know what you're doing?
You can listen to my headphones.
But I couldn't see that. But I couldn't see that, right?
Mind your business.
I don't know
Go back
what...
inside.
I don't know what's going on.
Hey, you can stand and record all you want. But if you keep it up, you're going in handcuffs next. Now sit up.
What's going on? I don't understand.
You're being detained right now for failing to abide by my instructions to stop.
Well, I didn't...
It's very simple.
You can listen to my headphones. I'm not doing it.
I can see that through his hoodie.
So let's wrap this up. What we just witnessed isn't just a bad day on the job, it's a case study in misconduct versus accountability. The officer, Zachary McPherson, was found to have violated his department's conduct and integrity policies, yet received only a 3-day suspension. No criminal charges. No restitution. Under basic civil liability principles and Title 42, Section 1983, this could easily be grounds for a federal civil rights claim, yet nothing happens. This isn't just Florida's problem. It's systemic. So what's the fix? Real accountability, financial and legal, for misconduct. If you found this case as disturbing as we did, make sure to hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments. and subscribe to UK Cop Hub for more jaw-dropping police breakdowns where we bring you the facts, the law, and the truth behind every badge. Stay smart and stay aware.